Hi guys, the topic that I chose for my exercise 2 website assignment is the three big email providers: Gmail from Google, Outlook from Microsoft, and Yahoo Mail from Yahoo. Now I chose these three topics because a couple of days ago I was thinking of a proper topic to look at, and then I ended up searching for a couple of ideas. So eventually I came across on Creative Commons search. I decided to search Yahoo Mail, and I haven't used this image within my project, but I just took a look at this, and formats such as this just reminded me of the bad time I had with Yahoo Mail, so I decided to do a website assignment just based on the three to show their benefits and cons, pros and cons. So I basically got most of my information from this source right here, Just Ask Fails, and that's the website name, and Wikipedia. So essentially I made this project because I wanted to go over these three and give my opinion of each of them.